Welcome back. In this video, we will set up everything you need to start coding in C++. By the end of this lesson, your computer will be ready to run your very first program. To run C++ programs, we need a compiler. A compiler translates our code into machine language so the computer can understand it. Here's how you can install one depending on your operating system. Go to this link provided and then follow the steps. On Windows, we will use MinGW. After installation, make sure to add it to your path so you can use G++ command from the terminal. On Mac, it's much easier. Just open the terminal and type xcode -select space -- install. This installs Apple's developer tools, which include a C++ compiler. On Linux, just update your package manager and install G++. For example, on Ubuntu you type sudo apt install G++. Next, we need an editor to write our programs. You can use vscode, which is lightweight and popular, CodeBlocks, classic C++ IDE, CLion, which is professional, paid IDE. I recommend VS Code because it's free, fast, and works on all platforms. Now I want you to go to visualstudios.com and download and install. After installing, I want you to open your VS Code and come to this column. Here I want you to write C++ extension and I want you to install this package. Now I want you to create a new folder called projects. In this folder, we will have all our projects we will be building in this C++ course. After this, open your VS Code. Now come to the file, open folder, projects, open. Click on this icon and name it as hello.cpp. Now let's write some code. Save it. Now go to terminal, run build task and choose this second option where we have clang++. Now I want you to click on this plus button and type ls, which will list where our program is, and then type ./hello. And now you can see we got this output over here. Awesome. You just wrote and ran your first C++ program. In the next video, we will dive deeper into the structure of C++ program and understand how it works line by line. Be sure to practice installing your compiler and running this simple program. If you get stuck, drop a comment and I'll help you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson.